Welcome back. Friday, thank God. Yeah, got some surprises. Alright, yep, got some surprises. I don't know if you follow me on Twitter. If you do, hashtag or @Samble16vmini. But yeah, I said that I was picking up a passenger door. So I've got myself another passenger door. So let's go get that and I'll show you it. I'll just put you guys down. Excuse my belly, gets bigger every day. So yeah, let me get this. I was going to promise I was going to tidy up Friday, wasn't I? That hasn't happened. But I promise over the weekend I'll tidy up. And bosh! Look at ourselves, another passenger door. Oh! Oh! Airline. Shut the door. Oh. Anyway, yeah, so actually, I think I already know what I'm going to do. But this door is much better. It hasn't got a perfect top frame, top bit, the bit that we had to replace or needed to replace. This bit, but it's not bad. It's only going on the flat areas where it screws to. So I'm hoping, I think I can get away with just repairing it. So much better actually, unless it's covered in filler, we'll find out. But this all looks solid. This part looks solid inside the door frame. The top part, we have problems in here. A little bit of rust up there, but it might be half good on the other one. But yeah, all down the side here, all looks good. Even the bottom looks much more solid than the previous one. So what I'm thinking of doing is, oh, you can see the rust up there. I think it's where they just don't paint it. When they paint the car, they were just like, and you know, they didn't get up inside, so you can see it's all a bit surface rust on the skin. So yeah, what I'm thinking of doing is actually cutting the bottom back off our spare door that we were starting to repair and weld it back onto this one, because I think this is a much better starting point and a lot less work to be done. So I think I'll do that over the weekend, so you guys can have a chance to your opinion. But I think that's what I'm going to do. I might just take the skin off, because again, guess what? We've got ourselves another foreskin. So that's good. Nice load of bit of metal there. Shame the red don't actually match the car, so it's going to have to be painted. But yeah, let's maybe just take the foreskin off. Obviously I know we're supposed to be doing other things. But yeah, let's take the door skin off and just see what the frame's like, and we go from there. Okay, as you've seen in before, previous films, you know, you just go along the edge with a grinder, soft pad, till you see it splitting. And that's what I do anyway. So, and obviously open a can of lager halfway through. Just shout out to my daughter who supplied some shredded wheat chocolate cakes for the garage, so that's good. Oh, ow, bit hard, bit cold. Oh, okay, yeah, let's carry on. Okay, most of the skin's off now. I've gone over with a wire brush. Wheel attachment, remember they are dangerous things. So I'm thinking I'm coming up with a plan. Just had a bit of a look at the old door, see how it is put together. So, what we're thinking of doing is, I don't know if you can see, this is the new section. I'm not going to go and put the whole thing in. There's some areas this are quite good, so what I'm going to do is chop out the bad areas and just replace it with this section. Getting back onto this back edge here, all the way along is going to be a right pain. And it's not needed, it's solid. It's, you know, it's pretty solid right up to the edge, so I can weld to that. What I might just have to do, I don't know if I will take the whole thing out, or at least cut out this edge which I can get to. But to be honest, it's fairly solid in a lot of the areas, so it's just gone up here, so I might just grind out this section, then just use this and just cut out the sections I need to weld back in. In the end, it's just got to be pretty much rot free and solid enough to screw a window rubber to, so it's not like it's tons of strength in there, that's for sure. And it don't have to look too pretty, as long as it's not sticking up too high or anything like that. Then we'll cut the bottom repair section of this door that I've welded on, idiot. We'll cut that off and sacrifice the door bin, I think, just to get it off nicely, and then we'll use that to repair this section, which isn't as bad as what it was on the previous car. And I think that's it. That's pretty much the deal done. We'll put a new skin on it. Just got to repair a bit of this edge here, but just a bit of flat so we can cut all that out. A bit down the other end. But yeah, a couple of sessions over the weekend, I reckon we can get this door sorted enough to start thinking about hanging it back on the passenger side so we can start working on it, which we've still got a slight lack of room that side. Well, I've put the spit right over to one side. So in the ideal world, I could do with getting the car out, spinning the thing round and putting it back on the spit, but I've talked to you about that before once. Oh, a lot of hassle, I think. Oh dear, I've got a big old spot on the back of me. Anyway, alright, I think that's going to be it for this one. Obviously we've got the subframe to weld next time, so I promise to do that as well. But yeah, give me your feedback before I start hacking into this over the weekend. Think if my plan's right, I think it's just not worth saving that door. I think it's worth sacrificing it to repair this new door. And I think by Monday we should have a door ready to hang on the car, and we can crack on with the front end, which I've now got all the front wings now and front end, so we're pretty much there. We just got to do the repair of the inner wings still. But yeah, we're there. We're getting closer. Still got lots of bits to do. I've got a good couple of, hopefully productive couple of weeks coming up. I've got a few surprises and a few visitors, so that'll be good. I had a few good conversations this week on the telephone about different things, so hopefully we can bring them to you over the next few weeks. So hopefully, yeah, one of them will definitely, hopefully the shot blaster, hopefully, near the end of the month, hopefully. Alright, that's it guys, see you next time, have a good evening Friday, enjoy the weekend, see you Monday.